Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming designers who foster programming and innovation arrangements internationally. It makes a worldwide market for processing power, and the registering assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and offbeat errand execution. Adaptable instruments assist the designers with making and disseminate, and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This large number of administrations are accessible for an expense similarly not as much as contenders. The Golem environment plans to give programming improvement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the eventual fate of web blockchain, accessible and open for everybody. Golem was presented in Switzerland in the year 2016 by the Golem manufacturing plant. It was helped to establish by Julian Zawistowski, Andrzej Regulski, Peter Janiuk, Alexander Skr Zipczak. The organization sent off in 2018, and the ICO cost of GNT around then was 1 penny. At the point when the frenzy of digital currency was controlled, Golem detonated from its cost levels. What's more, GNT shows an unexpected convention to $1, which was amazing, and an overbought position for another digital currency around then. The biological system incorporates individual and expert software engineers, Golem application library, requesters, and suppliers. Golem Ventures' local coin is called GLM, which was moved from GNT. Highlights of Golem. The adaptable open-source Golem stage permits distributed networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is described by availability, open access, restriction-safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless biological system is a help for programming engineers. SDK assists with holding their inventiveness and grandstand ability to the world. The processing power can be mulled over as the two foundations as a help and programming as an assistance. The installment frameworks are effectively available, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they declared the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client utilization administration. The organization has presented Thork, the principal mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more significant level local area commitment. Golem leads a prize administration program often, which guarantees constructing an immense client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been partitioned into metal, dirt, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with a task called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem has confidence in the chances of Web3 and collaborated with Crowd, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better advancements in the framework. Its gone on up degree in innovation guidelines gives programming engineers to track and run with the product advancement world. Market status of Golem. The market cap of Golem is $399,187,312.82, with a flowing stock of 1 billion GLM. At present, the majority of the computerized coins are exchanging red and level after an enormous meeting. Just certain coins are up on the week because of the positive declarations. GLM gave a 8% revisitation of their financial backer over the most recent half year and 3% cynicism last week, despite the fact that it requires an additional 3 years to cross the unequaled high of GLM on Golem cost forecast. It ought to be noticed that the plan of action and administrations given by the stage are exceptionally demandable. The contemporary innovation world is taking a gander at the decentralized framework and progressed blockchain innovation stage, which likewise has gigantic development potential. Specialized examination of Golem. The Golem cost today is around 39 cents, and it confronted a slight rectification with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The most extreme cost as of now is enlisted at 43 cents, and the base cost is 39 cents. The unequaled exorbitant cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. And everything time low is noted at $0, which was in 2016. Verifiable information and the specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month diagram from 2018 to 2022, Golem cost has on a round base development executing little worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upturn which wound up at a cost of 78 cents from 76 cents low. Then, at that point, after a cost remedy on Golem tokens took support at 50 cents with a morning star development, be that as it may, the upturn couldn't be supported, and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last scarcely any exchanging meeting. Investigating the opposition and backing levels on the everyday outline, the following obstruction level is 49 cents. In the event that GLM cost can cross the close-term obstacle, it can test the opposition level at 60 cents. The quick help level is 34 cents. and the significant help level is 27 cents. Dread and insatiability record is 45. Significant specialized pointers for transient cost expectations on the day-to-day diagram information. Relative strength file is 35.13. MACD line is beneath the sign line. The cost of Golem is under 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA. In view of specialized examination and GLM cost forecast, despite the fact that the ongoing cost of Golem digital money is respectably negative, the high gamble of GLM coin doesn't give a legitimate sign or affirmation on cost change. Financial backers and merchants can hold on to affirm the pattern over the obstruction level prior to making a transient venture. In light of the close-term Golem estimate, it is normal to exchange sideways for a brief time frame on the off chance that no news or cryptographic money market bullishness is upheld. Golem value expectations 2022 to 2026. Golem cost expectations for the future show that a beneficial speculation gives a decent revisitation of the long haul. Estimates for quite some time show Golem GLM be valued at 77 cents, which is multiple times productive than its ongoing worth. According to specialists' estimates, put resources into Dunk and hang tight at changes in costs. The cost volume pattern of the drawn-out cost diagram from 2018 to 2021 appears to be intriguing. Note the critical cost change on the graph. The cost to volume marker is profoundly unstable, which shows some time the coin has been controlled, and cost and volume have errors in conduct. Presently, regardless of whether the cost is attempting to push high, the volume has not expanded much contrasted with past exchanging segments. The explanation for such a contention is the high unpredictability of the crypto market, which vacillates and for each and every adjustment of the economy. Throughout the time span, digital forms of money are supposed to be exceptionally demandable since they cancel the worries, exchange time, and charge of government-issued types of money. Golem value expectation 2022. Golem figure information for 2022 is tolerably bullish. The base GLM cost could reach 49 cents. Golem merit effective money management to contact a limit of 56 cents. In view of the drawn-out conjectures, the Golem will exchange with a typical cost of 52 cents. Brokers can put resources into Golem for the medium term to acquire huge benefits from their speculation. Golem crypto value forecast 2023. The cost expectation Golem for 2023 from all specialists guessing that the Golem cost will raise a ruckus around town value level of 63 cents. The typical cost and least cost of Golem for 2023 is 58 cents and 53 cents individually. GLM value forecast 2024. Interest in any monetary road generally expects the worth of the organization will increment in the long haul. Essentially, merchants and financial backers can expect a cost ascend later on cost of Golem. In 2024, Golem could exchange with a typical cost of 61 cents and is supposed to outperform 72 cents around the same time according to our figure. Golem coin value forecast 2025. Golem devotees are bullish on the Golem gauge for 2025. Golem cost dominates the most extreme degree of 88 cents. The base cost and normal cost